Hello, this is my third page of HTML. Fourth, this is my another page of HTML, and this is my body part, and I use h1 tag for main heading, my grades. Then I use table border for side of the border table. Then I use t head. T head is usually used for table heading. Then I use table row, that is table row. Okay. Then I use table heading that is course, that is grade and credits. Then close the table row and close the T head tag. Then I use table body. This is body part. Then I use table data, that is table data web development, and a grade is A and credit is 8. Then I use Then I close the table row. Then I use again table row because of I use 5 table row. Then data science table data. This is table data all things, and that is my table food because there is bottom of the page. Then in the T food I use table row and table data is total credits, and there is no, and there is 32 all total. Then there is a I close the table, the navigation link for the back to home page, and we use table for the creating a table.